What is FAT32? FAT32 is an enhanced version of file allocation table, supported by Microsoft Windows 95 OS R2, Windows 98, and Windows 2000. FAT32 theoretically supports drives of up to 2 TB in size, although for Windows 2000 the actual size limit is 32 GB. If the installation partition is smaller than 2 GB, it will automatically be formatted using FAT. If the installation partition size is equal to or greater than 2 GB, it will automatically be formatted as FAT32. FAT32 uses a smaller cluster size than FAT, so is more efficient at utilizing disk space on large volumes than FAT. The savings in disk space, using FAT32 instead of FAT for large volumes, is typically 20 to 30%. These two tables show the difference in cluster sizes between the original FAT and FAT32. FAT32 in Windows 2000 and above. Using FAT32, or FAT, with the Windows 2000 operating system platform is not recommended, because it does not offer the security features that are provided by the NTFS file system. FAT32 also does not support disk compression. The only time you would use FAT32 with Windows 2000 is in a dual boot situation, which Microsoft does not recommend. Note that in a dual boot system, FAT32 volumes cannot be accessed by any operating systems, other than Windows 95 OS R2, Windows 98, or Windows 2000. For dual boot with Windows 95, Windows 98, or Windows NT, drive C must be a FAT partition. If you want to learn more about networking concepts and definitions, don't forget to press the subscribe button. To be notified when our channel releases another video, click also on the bell icon. And don't forget to visit our website, networkencyclopedia.com.